Good evening, teacher. It's the second activity for this course and my last vacation. My name is Jessica Alejandra Quintero. Well, my last vacation were with my boyfriend in Santa Marta. This place was amazing, and we stayed at Hotel Pescadero, and this was near the beach. We played in the beach with the sun and others tourists. Well, mates. And the breakfast was at 8 a.m. and we ate cereal or juice and eggs. And I loved the coconut rice. It's very delicious. We drank cocktails of lemon or strawberry and beer. Well, activities. We did kayak in Buritaca. It's an experience amazing. This place is near Santa Marta, and I liked this activity. We met a waterfall, the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta is beautiful. Also, we walked until there. We did a snorkel in Playa Blanca. It was funny and cute. And finally, I recommend this place because it's very amazing and Santa Marta has many places to visit. It's perfect for your next vacations. You could walk around the different beaches. You should always have documents and drinks. You must make a reservation first. You should carry a mask for the different activities. And you can travel by Chiva Rumbera. Is a bus funny. Okay, thanks.